Good afternoon, everyone. Jason here. Today is February 1st, and I want to spend just a couple minutes with you going through a market maker level trade that we took here on the ES. Today it was a little over 12-point ES move that we were able to capture. Now, we were down ticks heading into this trade today. I'll show you that here in just a moment. So I was trying to get short, and I got stopped out, and I got short again, and it actually eventually worked out. And you can see here at the top of the price ladder exactly how we did on the day. Let's take a look at where we were getting in. But before I do that, let's take a look at how the overnight market maker levels actually performed. So if you look here, we opened up, the market opened up right at 5 o'clock Central Time, right on top of the ETH signal and almost in one bar. But in two bars it came down, made the low of the day right at the ETH or extended trading hour target level. And then the market spent the balance of the day rallying. In fact, if you look here all the way until about, this was about 25 minutes ago, the high of the day is right here at the ETH structure point. So again, very good move from target all the way back up to signal. We went from signal to target all the way back into the signal. And if I were going to be trading this afternoon, I would be looking for this extended trading hours target up there as a possibility. Now, we trade the daytime or the RTH signal or RTH hours trading. So these are the RTH signal levels that we look at. And so as you can see here, the market opens up just right on top of the RTH signal, pulls back, rallies back into this zone, could not get through the developing value area. And so this was the location that I was looking to get short. In fact, I got short here the first time and I got stopped out. And then actually I tried twice before it worked. I got in, stopped out was break even and actually slipped a tick. And then I ended up getting stopped out on this rush right up into the developing value area. But if you'll notice here down at the bottom, the delta was extremely heavy here coming to the downside. And so this is exactly where I was looking and why I was looking to get short. The delta was really supporting the idea, the delta being defined as aggressive buyers versus aggressive sellers. The more aggressive sellers that are coming in, the heavier and bigger those down bars are. That's exactly what you are seeing right here. And so eventually I do get in short up here around 75 right on this RTH signal. My ultimate target was looking at this RTH mid. We had an interim target here at 23, which would have been 20 points. But what you'll notice here is the bar closes. It comes up and trail stops me out right up here. When I got trail stopped, and the very next, just really that same bar, it comes all the way down to 17. So I would have been able to at least squeeze 20 points out of that had I not been taken out on this shakeout. It's okay. It was a very good trade to end up the day on. So we were only together for less than an hour today. I had a break even that slipped me, and then I had a stop out, and then of course we had the I think it was a 4-to-1 reward to risk ratio that ended me up positive, as you see there on the day. So we've added a new wrinkle here, and I haven't done it today. I'm having a little technical issues, but we've added a new wrinkle where I'm on camera doing these trades. And so if you want to stop by for a free trial and you want to see the on camera, we've added a little production work to it as well. To give the trade room a little bit more excitement. Not that trading's not exciting enough, but you know what I mean. Anyway, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to let you watch this trade. As always, I'm going to let you see where we get in. You can hear me call exactly where we get in. You'll see it on the price ladder. You'll hear me place the stop, and then I will take that trade. It was about 30 minutes long. Take that trade, cut it up into pieces, put some music behind it, speed up the tape, and then you'll be able to see exactly where it is that we exited the trade, and you'll be able to match up that final trade with this P&L here that you see on screen. So with all that being said, I'm going to let you watch the OTG trade of the day. 42.5, 42.75, something like that. 2 minutes, next 5-minute bar. Okay, I'm in at 42.75. We're going to get to even here pretty quick. What's the swing here? This swing went to 47.5. All right, I'm going to do 40, 575 on the stop here. There's a line of liquidity up here. We can look at that in a minute.